Sports and cultural events can be really important for the local economy. They can bring additional monies in, such as those events that are held in the stadium behind me. However, events can also bring negative environmental effects for an area and globally. So it's important that we understand the scale and scope of those effects. And our work has helped event managers to better understand those effects and to be able to better mitigate them.
One example is our collaboration with Run for Wales, who are organisers of the Cardiff Half Marathon. The Race for Sustainability project involved us supporting Run for Wales to measure the environmental impact of its runners. We used measurement tools to look at the profile of runners, their travel behaviour, the environmental impact of that travel, and to identify factors that influence travel choices. This data was used by Run for Wales to inform their marketing strategies and specific initiatives to encourage runners to choose more sustainable travel choices. This led to a reduction in 356 tonnes of CO2 travel-related emissions. Our research has not only led to an increase in understanding of event environmental impacts and how to measure those impacts, but most importantly, it has led to the staging of more sustainable events in Wales and beyond.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.